Hey everybody, this is Ralph back with another video. This one I want to talk about what's really behind the Home Business Academy compensation plan. And if you've been in internet marketing, affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, you know that sometimes the commission plans can be extraordinarily complicated, full of pass-ups, overrides, binaries, double binaries, and what the heck does all that mean? Well, with the Home Business Academy, we don't mess with any of that stuff. There are no pass ups, no overrides, no complicated binaries or formulas to try to figure out. It is just a straight 80% recurring commission that you make from every qualified sale. So simple, I could teach my cat to say it if she'd only speak English. Instead, she goes, "Wah." She's behind me right now. But if I had a parrot, I could teach it to a parrot. It's very simple, very easy. You just earn 80% recurring commissions from every qualified sale. Now, what's a qualified sale? Well, a qualified sale means that you have to own a level before you can earn commissions from selling that level. So if you own a level, you can go ahead and sell that level and earn commissions on that level. So we got 3 levels that pay recurring commissions. The first is the Let's Goal app level, and that's a $10 monthly cost. Gets you the Let's Goal app, which helps you to get focused and become more organized in setting goals. It's a fantastic little tool. Costs $10 a month, pays $8 recurring commissions. So you make 2 sales at that level, you're already in profit. So pretty neat. The Funnel Builder Academy is our second level. That's a $25 monthly cost, gets you the Funnel Builder tool, the training, a lot of bonus trainings in the bonus vault. It costs $25 a month, pays $20 recurring commissions. So again, make 2 sales, you're in profit at that level. And then our third and final level that pays recurring commissions is our traffic and conversions level. And this teaches you how to get traffic, both free traffic and paid traffic. It teaches you a lot of different strategies that you can use, social media marketing strategies, just a lot of material at that in that unit. Costs $125 a month, pays $100 recurring commissions. So you make 2 sales again at that level. You are already in profit. They are practically paying you to use their tools with that kind of a compensation plan. So now the last question I'm going to deal with is, how do you get paid in the Home Business Academy? Well, in the Home Business Academy, payday is every Thursday. So if you got qualified commissions that can be paid out, they're paid out every Thursday, and they are paid out via bank transfer, prepaid card, if you want to go ahead and get a prepaid card, or Bitcoin. So even though this isn't a Bitcoin opportunity, it's a good way to earn in Bitcoin if that's what you want to do. I go generally with bank transfer, but I have also requested commissions in Bitcoin before. And you can do the same. Just contact support, let them know what you want, and they can help you through that process. You can also get paid via paper check in the United States, and I believe it's only in the United States that they'll send out a paper check. So no banking account, no problem, as long as you're in the United States. So yeah, those are basically what the commission plan is. 80% recurring commissions, no complicated formulas, what the levels are, how we get paid, how often we get paid. And I mean, to me, this is a fantastic opportunity, very easy to figure out, and a lot of training in all of these units. If you're a beginner wanting to learn online marketing, wanting to get started in affiliate marketing, then yeah, we got tools and trainings that can really help you out. And there's something here for beginners. There's even something here for people who have been in the online marketing industry for a very long time. I see people benefiting from this program who are absolute newbies, and I've seen professionals come in and just really profit from the training that we offer. There's literally something here, I think, for everybody. So if you want to get started in the Home Business Academy, go ahead and click on my affiliate link. It's down below in the program description. But in case you can't see that, it's also ralphshomebiz.com. That's ralphshomebiz.com, and that will be down in the program description down below. But just check it out. Give me your name, give me your best email address. Check it out. You'll be on my mailing list, and I will keep you updated as to the Home Business Academy, what we're doing, what changes that we make. And I mean, this company has been around since 2016. They have not messed around with the compensation plan. They have been in business long term already, and they are dedicated to remaining in business long term. So if you're tired of companies that make changes that end up hurting the affiliates rather than helping them, if you're tired of messing around with companies that scam out after only a few months or maybe a couple of years, if you're tired of building your business only to see it crash and having to rebuild it again through no fault of your own, then I suggest you take a look at the Home Business Academy, because this is a breath of fresh air in the online affiliate marketing world. It's Ralph signing out. Have a great day. Catch you all later. Bye-bye. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.